Launched your app and you thought you were done. Well, you might have launched the best app in the world, but you will not reach your target audience if you don't market your application through the proper channels. Marketing will need you to work on the app's promotion before, during, and after the app launch. It is a general rule of thumb that you must spend as much time in promotion as much time you spend in development. This implies that months of development and designing will require you to promote your app for possibly a similar time frame. In this video, we will guide you with 5 different methods to market your app. The first method would be App Store optimization. ASO is like SEO. Instead of ranking in Google, you can rank your app on the App Store and Play Store. This includes choosing a descriptive app name, displaying the best screenshots, writing a keyword-rich app description, and a lot of other stuff. Second on the app marketing technique list is social media marketing. It is not only the most robust method, but also provides by far a free playground for creativity. Don't forget to execute a pre-decided strategy. Social media marketing is not making some random uploads, but involves having a very strategic approach for promotions on various platforms. Moving to the third method to market your app. This one is pretty interesting and result-oriented. You can list your app on app aggregator portals like AppsHive. You can also list your app in different categories and professions for more exposure. Such portals help you to boost traffic, increase user downloads, and get more positive reviews. If you are an app owner, find a link to list your app in the description box. It is high time you discover that influencer marketing works very well in the app industry. The only catch here is that you need to find an influencer with a similar target audience to yours. This way, you will attract their followers to your application. Apart from all the organic user traffic, you can bring traffic from your chosen sources via paid ads on Google. Again, there goes a lot of deep thought and brainstorming before running these paid ads. Ensure to carry out an in-depth research before you run such ads. With this, we have come to the end of this video. These were some of the most concrete ways to market your application. However, check our extensive blog to learn about more such methods to market your app. You'll find its link mentioned in the description box below. Until next time, good luck with marketing your app. And for any app marketing related queries, reach out to the team at AppsHive.